Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
So today we will be connecting an Amazon Echo with a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via a Samsung SmartThings hub. You will need 4 things: an Amazon Echo, a Samsung SmartThings hub, a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch, and a target device to power on or off, which in this demo will be this lamp base. So how it works is that when you give an instruction to the Amazon Echo, like Alexa, turn on light,
Okay.
then the Amazon Echo will transfer the instruction to the Samsung SmartThings hub via their respective servers, and the Samsung SmartThings hub will transfer the instruction to the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via the wireless Z-Wave protocol, and the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch will transfer the instruction to the respective target device. Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
We will start by connecting the Samsung SmartThings hub with the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. We open our SmartThings app on our mobile device. Under the section Things, we tap on Add a Thing. The Samsung SmartThings hub's LED will blink green, indicating that it is in pairing mode. We proceed by plugging in the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch into a power socket. We press on the GE Z-Wave action button found at the front of the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has found the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. We tap on Rename Device. We rename the device name to Light as we plan to connect our GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with a lamp. We tap on Save. The SmartThings app will indicate that it has successfully paired the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch. We tap on OK. We have hereby successfully paired the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with a Samsung SmartThings hub. Now that we have successfully connected the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch with the Samsung SmartThings hub, we can now connect the Samsung SmartThings hub with the Amazon Echo. We open our Amazon Alexa app on our mobile device. We tap on the left top menu button, and in the menu we tap on Smart Home. We tap on Get More Smart Home Skills. We search for SmartThings. We tap on SmartThings. We tap on Enable. We log in to our SmartThings account. We select our SmartThings hub. We tap on Authorize. We get a success message indicating that Alexa has been successfully linked with SmartThings. We close this window. We tap on Discover Devices. We can see that the SmartThings skill has been added to the Alexa app. We tap on Discover. We can see that Alexa has found our light. We can now control the GE Z-Wave Smart Switch by giving the instruction, Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Or Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
We have hereby successfully paired the Amazon Echo with a Samsung SmartThings hub. We have hereby successfully paired the Amazon Echo with a GE Z-Wave Smart Switch via a Samsung SmartThings hub.